Hello everyone, my name is Jyoti Gidwani and I'm from Mumbai. This is my second course with Kapil sir, and I'm here for a 7 days retreat, and we have learned a lot of things with Kapil sir and Manish sir, and it's a very intensive course. Complete detox diet is given, which consists of raw food, salads and very little cooked food. And the day starts early morning with focus exercises, which we have inherited from our ancient times. Kapil sir has spent a lot of time with Himalayan yogis, I would say, and has carried forward the legacy from those days. So we did lot of meditations in which we did Samadhi meditations, Kundalini meditations, Pran sadhana, chakra meditations,
Astral projection.
astral projections, and how to use the power of intention. So, we are 3D beings, so we need some proof. So, we did a couple of exercises with the help of which we came to know that the power of intention works in a wonderful way. So, one has to maintain the positivity and move ahead in life. So, there's a lot to talk about. So, we have learned so many things here, and I would like to thank Kapil sir and Manish sir for this. Thank you so much.